At LinkedIn, we provide a platform that allows people to connect with one another to really build rich, authentic, powerful relationships. And we also provide them with the content they need in order to achieve their specific goals. Before the internet, before there were social networks, the best way to really connect with potential customers was by sending direct mail, by going door to door even. Those outbound tactics are really not enough. Inbound is really what every company needs to be doing. One of the key pillars for inbound and this idea of inbound marketing is content. People are looking for content-rich experiences, but just developing content isn't enough. You really have to find the right context to share that content in, which is really thinking about the person and where they're at, how far are they in the purchase funnel, are they communicating with you through certain devices. HubSpot's always been a huge proponent of bringing together content and context and has always really been at the forefront of these inbound strategies. Likewise at LinkedIn, we're striving to become the definitive publishing platform through our tools, through our influencer program, and also through the techniques in which we engage with our members. So gone are the days of cookie cutter marketing. It's really about customization and providing people with the information that they need in the context that is most relevant to them. And so similar to HubSpot and the strategies that they're really pioneering, LinkedIn too is pioneering ways to provide this really meaningful and relevant experience on our platform.